Hey guys, it's Allison Walker, Pink Power Alley treasure hunter with the ringfinders.com. I'm out here in Port Carling area. This is Michael. Michael, what happened?
Well, I was out in the water and my ring fell off. Allison's thankfully here to help find it. It's really special to me. My wife had it crafted from a piece of a fighter jet when we got married just under a year ago. So
That's amazing. A fighter jet?
yeah, it's a fan blade from the engine of an F-16. So it's yeah, I did Top Gun thing growing up.
How did your wife think to do that? Or
I joked with her because I didn't want to wear a ring. My dad never did. And so I said, I'll wear one as long as it's a fighter jet, just being a dope.
Serious?
And then that got her brain turning. She's in the tech world, and so she reached out to people, and so she actually found an engine pin from an F-18. And this piece as well. So this piece was able to get crafted and fit from I don't know what I guess a ring maker in Utah. And yeah, I guess we collaborated on getting it done together, and then it was the only ring that I was actually excited to wear. So,
yeah.
I mean, not to say it didn't even make a year so before it's had its first scare. So.
And then you were around the dock area. I'm just gonna
on this dock area. It's relatively shallow. My wonderful wife warned me against having one of these lakeside showers.
Yeah.
From
whereabouts? And you talked about something out over there.
Yeah. So there's
that was white.
Hey!
God.
That's lovely, Allison. Thank you so much. Oh, you snake.
know what?
I love it. That's amazing. Oh, it's a perfect fit.
You know where the white?
Yeah, where that piece of...
It was just 2 feet over.
Was it really?
Yeah.
How long were you gaming me out there for?
Just I went further. and then came back.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Because
I'm
that's
so
my
happy.
goal, is to
Thank
try
you.
and surprise you. So.
I love it. Hire Allison, please, for the love of God. Hire Allison. This is.
See that ring? That's
I'm so happy. There.
unique.
Look at how happy that is.
Woohoo!
I love you. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. So it just, while I was out there, I guess while I did a stroke or something, must have just slipped off.
Yeah, and you
Wow.
you had mentioned you just washed your
I
hair,
just washed
which
my hair off.
slippery a little
Yeah,
bit.
exactly.
Is it normally loose or tight?
It's so in the colder weather, it's a little looser.
Yes,
Like you can
everything
see
shrinks,
slides,
right?
It slides pretty well. So I'm speechless.
Awesome.
I'm very. Thank you.
You're
Thank
very
you.
welcome.
I'm not taking my hands out of my pockets.
Cheers.
Thank you.